Soleniscus, Rastellum gregarium, Plumorema telina, Ammonite, sea urchin. For children, they have given some idea about tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese language word. Su means harbor and nami means wave, where the waves of the water body is caused by the displacement of large volume of water, generally in an ocean or large lake, earthquakes, volcano eruption, and other underwater explosions, including detonations, landslide, glacier, meteorite impact, and other disturbances above or below water, all have the potential to generate a tsunami. Unlike normal ocean waves, which are generated by wind or tides, which are generated by gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, a tsunami is generated by the displacement of water. Tsunami waves do not resemble normal undersea current or sea waves because their wavelength is far longer. Tsunamis ranging from minutes to hours. Waves heights of 10 meters can be generated by the large events. Although the impact of tsunamis is limited to the coastal areas, the destructive power can be enormous and they can affect entire ocean basins. The 2004 East Indian Ocean tsunami was among the deadliest natural disasters in human history, with at least 230,000 people killed or missing in 14 countries bordering the Indian Ocean. This rose-colored stone is the quartz. This is a crystal which is used in clocks also. So when voltage is applied, it gets mechanical vibrations, and vice versa. It is a piezoelectric crystal. The next one is hematite, which is an important iron oxide iron ore, which is the major ore for extraction of iron. This is augite, a silicon complex with calcium based mineral. Now we are going to see the geological time scale. We start from the top. So starting with Cenozoic with 2.6 million years of quaternary period with the evolution of humans. Then comes the Neogene and Paleogene with mammals diversity. Then from 100 million years to 150 million years we have the Mesozoic, where first we can see the Cretaceous, where we can have the extinction of dinosaurs, first primates and first flowering plants. So first flowering plants are called as angiosperms, and the first primate we can say it is a primate, we can say it's some monkeys, etc. Then 150 years to 200 million years we can have the Jurassic periods, where the first birds have been evolved from dinosaurs. Actually birds are directly descended from dinosaurs, which also have a theory so that dinosaurs could be the evolution of warm-blooded animals. Around 200 million to 250 million years ago we have the Triassic, where the first mammals have been developed. Some first dinosaurs are also present in this age. Then we go for 250 to 300 years, it is Permian age, where the major extinctions and reptiles were being diversified in this region. Next we are going to have the Carboniferous age, where the Pennsylvanian and Mississippian age are there, where we can see the first reptiles and trees with some scales and ferns have been generated. Then the Devonian period is there, where the first land living animals has been evolved, and we can see some many kind of species of fishes with developed jaws. To the period ranging to 450 million years we have the Silurian period with first vascular land plants. Vascular means xylem and phloem, like our arteries and veins. Plants develop inside tubular structures. Then to 500 million years we have Ordovician period, where the sudden diversification of metazoan families take place. And before 500 million years we have the Cambrian period, where the first fishes evolved with first chordates. And before that, which is Precambrian era, up to 650 million years we have the first skeletal elements, first soft bodies metazoans, and traces of first animals. We are able to have this time classification only on the basis of the fossils what we have got. Next element which you are going to see is barytes. This barite is barium sulfate, which is used for oil and gas drilling purposes. Feldspar is aluminosilicates of potassium, sodium and calcium. It is used for manufacturing of glass, ceramics and fillers used in paints, plastics and rubber, etc. Next compound is epidote. It is an sorosilicate used as a healing crystal. Schroll belongs to tourmaline, where it has a pyroelectric and piezoelectric properties, and this is selenite. The next thing you know very well, it's an animal which cannot move. It is a sea living organism called coral. Followed by selenite, which has a texture equivalent to as a desert rose. Next is pyrite, which is fascinating because it is called as iron sulfide, which is very hard, and it is used in old ammunitions, where it is used to create sparks by using as a flintlocks. Biotite is used as a radiometric rock dating. It is a black mica. Garnet sand is a hard material. It is used in aquarium as a aquascaping and in water cutting, where it is used in abrasive to cut the material. As a dry abrasive, it is also used in sand blasting. Anorthosite is a plagioclase feldspar. It is used in the production of aluminium and also fiberglass. And at the end of video, I am going to show you the compressed fossil.